Welcome to Alpha Dominion Forex Traders. Today we'll be talking about taking entry using Bollingerband. Bollingerband, as we made to understand, is three lines that has a period of 50. The division is 2, then you choose your column. Now we'll be looking at Bollingerband on the live market. Like I told you the other time, we use different time frame. This is a 4-hour time frame. Let me go to 1-hour time frame and see what is showing me. This is my 1-hour time frame on the same Bollingerband. I said once you see Bollingerband at the top of the system, the three lines forming a straight line, then the market is getting exhausted. The market is being overbought. Once you see these three lines, you know this market is being overbought, and as such, is going to trend down. Now that the market is here down, the market is down, and the two Bollingerband is forming a parallel. At this stage, the market is also oversold. So once you have an oversold market here, what you do is you prepare it to buy at this point. At this same point here, the market is preparing for buy at this point. So when we take a look at the upper Bollingerband on the line I drew up, on the upper line and the lower line, you know, there is a form of parallel that is shown by Bollingerband up. Therefore, when you take a trade up on the 23rd of February from this axis, you will be able to come to on the 22nd of March, and this is giving you something close to 809 pips, which is huge. If we put this pound AUD on 4 hours, it will be very clear that you could see the Bollingerband up on 4 hours is down. That is the line I drew in 1 hour, and this is the 4 hours. So once the Bollingerband is also down here, you know your execution for buy is permanent. Then secondly, once the prices in 4 hours break the middle Bollingerband and close above it, then you'll be preparing to buy. At this rate, this market is oversold. Market trending from up down here, pound AUD is being oversold. So because it has closed above the middle 4 hours, if we take our first entry here and put our stop loss below here, we will not be making any mistake of taking an entry. But in taking your entry, you will ensure that you go into trading with a lot that is not too. We can be going here with 0.50. Yeah, so I'm going to buy here 0.50. So I've taken my first execution, and I'm putting my stop loss below. So I am preparing to lose this. I'm putting my stop loss below here because my execution is that the market, the prices came down and break the middle 4, close above it. So, and that is why I'm taking an entry to buy from here, and I'm looking at taking about 50 pips from here. Taking some pips from here. So if I'm able to get to the middle of the board, this is okay by me. I don't want, maybe if I'm able to take 376 pips, this is a live market, so they will be okay by me. Then secondly, we are looking at Bollingerband in 1 hour, in this 1 hour, 1 hour, which is okay. Then to be able to effectively trade Bollingerband again with the prices up and down, the price is always going up and down, we can also introduce Ichimoku. We can introduce Ichimoku. Ichimoku is of about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors. We have different colors. We have the Tekken, we have the Kujisen, we have the Chico Span, we have the Up Kumo, we have the Down Kumo. All I did here, what I need in if you look at the parameters, I just need the Tekken. So I go to the color, the Tekken. I'll make my Tekken this color. I'll make my Tekken this color, which is 9. I don't need any color for Kujisen, so that is why I put none in Kujisen. I don't need any color for Chico Span, and that is why I put none on Chico Span. So I need color for Up Kumo, and I need color for Down Kumo. Now I'm going to apply this on this platform so that I'll look at how it pans out. So this is how it looks. When I apply Ichimoku to this, you could see there is red, there is green, and there is red, there is green. Each time I have a look at the green, it's telling me it's time for me to buy. The Ichimoku tells you when you see the green, it's telling you it's time for you to buy. And when you see the red, it tells you it's time for you to sell. Now, when I look at the board, when I'm looking at the board up and I'm seeing my red here, so I can say once the prices break the Ichimoku here and closes below it, my sell starts from here. So you can use it to take your entry, take a sell. Once the prices break the green, the red, and closes above it, my buy starts from here. So you can also use Ichimoku to determine where you take your buy and your sell. Now you could say, okay, why is the price down even when the green is here? Yes, the moment you've seen the green and the market is down, it's telling you that you can also take your buy from below once you are seeing the green. This is Alpha Dominion Forex Traders. We will continue to enlighten traders to know how to trade using Ichimoku and Bollingerband. I'm just introducing Ichimoku today to let you know that you can add Ichimoku to Bollingerband to help you determine when to take your trade. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channels while we continue to bring good trades to you always.